Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today you can see I have Pixie haircuts that are gorgeous for beautiful matured women. So for the women that are suffering from alopecia or hair loss, this video is for you because you can see other ways you can style your hair with ease. I want you to check out the style because one thing with Pixie haircut you're seeing on the screen is that it's a great choice for older women because they offer that low maintenance, stylish, and youthful options. So women over 50 can really opt for those beautiful short haircut. Even if you're having alopecia, they can use the synthetic or human hair to really give you that layers that will always add volume and texture to your fine hair. And the best product you can use to style your Pixie is the TRESemmé protective spray heat Tamer. I think that one costs for that should be $14, and we have the bubble and bubble soft spray, and that product is one of the product you can use that will give you that shine with the OBB Rough Luxury molding wax. This you can get them all in Amazon or any shop around you. At least I know of this rough luxury molding wax, which is about that should be around $18. So you can get all this online, even with the best to give you that volume on your hair, which is the living proof style lab texture volumizer. All these things you can get them online. So I would like you guys to just check out this haircut and how it's been styled. And one thing about this haircut is that all you have to do to take care of it is always comb it less frequently. You can see some of the women suffering alopecia. You don't need to use comb always on the hair to really help keep the hair at least to last for up to a week to 2 weeks. All you have to do is always use your fingers to maintain your hair and reduce the use of heated products. Heated products sometimes are what causes some of those alopecia, skin cancers, and the rest of them. Just find a style that doesn't require those straighteners or heat. Always trim your hair every 3 to 6 weeks. Always wash your hair like once it's off every day, and rinse in a glass of cold water for that extra shine. Okay, and you can also always learn to make your hair moisturize, because whenever your hair is moisturized, it will always bring back the health of your hair or make those sides that are worn to come up, that is to grow back again. Okay, and one thing about this cut is that it's a versatile haircut that will make you look younger. And how they can make you look younger is essentially when you make it this kind of style, because it will really show off your ears and it will show off your earrings with that longer hair at the top or even the side fringe, which can sometimes be long enough to really become bangs. So this kind of cut can always make you look younger by bringing out your features, and especially those cheekbones, your eyes, and your jawline. Okay, and one thing about this hair is that it will always make you look feminine, because with this cut on your screen, it will make you look feminine, it will make you look gorgeous, and it's an easy maintenance haircut because it's perfect for fine hair and to achieve that fuller look. So you can see lightly sticking the back really builds volume, and the crown making it that low maintenance cut. I will advise you guys to use an anti-frizz shampoo and conditioner, then dry brush it into the desired portion you want. Okay, Pixie haircut tends to look best on oval face, on square face, on heart-shaped face. Women with heart-shaped face can pull off this shorter Pixie cut, as it brings that attention to the eyes and away from the long jawline. So let you guys to just check out the styles we have for you. Let me know your mind, how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys and stay locked to Wendy Styles.
He never gives to you. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give.